Protect your home while away with the new AOSU Solar Camera Kit. Install it yourself in just 5 minutes. And the best part? Powered by sunlight, no more charging worries. With its 360-degree pan and tilt feature, you can see every corner. Ready to go? Then turn on security mode with one click. View 4 surveillance areas stream at once. Combined with 2K resolution, the field of view is farther and clearer. Enhanced night security, featuring a sensor-triggered spotlight and advanced human tracking. This robust combination not only deters intruders but also persistently follows and records any unexpected activity. At the same time, AOSU will send you timely and accurate notifications. AOSU Smart System identifies and combines events of the same person in the same period into one video set, providing a complete record without the need to manually review multiple videos. Every recording is securely stored in the home base. Even if the camera takes a hit, your data won't. And important is, local storage, no monthly fee.